As a creative strategist, Instagram strategy has always been my thing. I've helped lots of small businesses to grow and monetize their Instagram account for more than 2 years. Some of the questions frequently asked to me are, how much do influencers make? How do you decide what to change? How do you find brands to work with? And what are the best ways to make money on Instagram? How many followers do you need to make money? Well, how many followers do you need to make money? Not as much as you think, actually. People with 10,000 followers more or less earn about $88 per post. 10,000 to 100,000 followers earn about $200 per post. And 100,000 to 1 million followers earn about 690 or something like that, or more per post. It actually depends on the niche and the content you post. The main ones are fitness, beauty, health, business, and travel. How much money you charge will depend on how engaged your followers are. The reason for this is because brands want to see a return on investment. So if you have 100,000 fake followers, you won't be able to provide any real value for brands. Audience trust and engagement plays a vital role. And how much money can you actually make? Well, marketers are willing to pay 1 cent per follower usually. So let's say you have like 3,000 followers, then you can charge $30 per post. Pricing will depend on mandate, timeline, production costs, and usage rates. So how can you make your money on Instagram? Well, number one, you can work as affiliate. Number two, you can open your own online store, which works for many people out there. You can work with brands on sponsored posts, or you can also do all of these things at once. Working with brands on sponsored posts. Charge brands a fee for sponsored content on your feed or stories. More or less, it depends on exclusively how much content you produce, words you use, the actual content of money at play. Having a link in your bio is a specific call to action while working with brands. The next one, become an affiliate. Affiliates are interested in making their brand partner sell things rather than just awareness, which is generally done using the promo code. In order to get connected with brands looking for affiliates, you can explore marketplaces like ClickBank, Reward Styles, and Amazon Associates. Ultimate post for affiliate marketing is reviewing products. Just review the products in which your audiences are interested to hear about. For example, Peter McKinnon reviews cameras on basis of his followers' interest and engagement rather than any other things. However, don't overdo it. If you post too much promotional material, you could potentially lose their trust. The next one is open your own online store. Sell physical goods, services, and digital. You can open your own business as well rather than just work for others. Sell physical goods, services, and digital products. Some ways to start your own online businesses are: use print-on-demand service in order to print your mugs, t-shirts, or bags. Consulting, music production, yoga classes, and photography are some of the fields you can work on as well. The next question, how do you find brands to work with? List yourself on influencer marketplaces in order to get discovered and start building relationships. For example, use this website to create an influencer card with a list of all your social profiles for brands to check out when they're shopping around for partnership. The next question, often asked, is how to price an Insta post. When working with a brand, there are two main ways to price your posts. First, you can charge a flat fee per post. Well, value your work based off on the return on investment that you provide for brands. Suppose you charge $50 per post and brand makes $10,000 in sales. Maybe renegotiate your rates. For affiliate posts, you will charge and cost per sale. As I said before, patience, consistency, and creativity is the key. Be authentic and engaging. Thank you very much.